Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the 2024 Audi S3, the automaker's high-performance version of the A3 subcompact sedan. The S3 has been around for a few years now, and it's always been a favorite among enthusiasts who want a small car with a big personality. For 2024, the S3 gets a few minor updates, but it's still the same great car it's always been. Exterior: the 2024 S3 gets a new front fascia with a more aggressive design. The grille is now wider and more angular, and the headlights are sharper. The rear end also gets a minor update, with new taillights and a new diffuser. Interior: the interior of the 2024 S3 is largely unchanged from last year. The cabin is still well appointed and luxurious, with high-quality materials throughout. The infotainment system is easy to use and features a 10.1-inch touchscreen display. Performance: the 2024 S3 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 306 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-feet of torque. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive. The S3 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, and it has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Driving dynamics: the S3 is a blast to drive. The engine is powerful and responsive, and the transmission shifts quickly and smoothly. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in all conditions. The S3 is also very agile and handles well. It's a great car for both everyday driving and spirited backroad excursions. Pricing and availability: the 2024 Audi S3 is expected to start at around $47,895. It will be available in dealerships in early 2024. The 2024 Audi S3 is a great choice for anyone who wants a small car with big performance. It's fast, fun to drive, and luxurious. If you're looking for a hot hatch, the S3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Audi S3. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.